It was a quiet afternoon, around 3 p.m. Your coworker had dozed off on the office sofa during a project break. Suddenly, your mom appeared in the doorway, holding a bowl of food. She'd finished work early and decided to surprise you. You were lost in your tasks, headphones on, oblivious to the impending chaos. Your mom spotted the sleeping figure and whispered, "Who is this?" Panic hit as you fumbled. "Just helping with work," you stammered, heart racing. The moment that would echo through time. Half asleep, eyes still closed, your coworker murmured, "Mom, is it dinner time already?" Time froze. Your soul left your body, desperately seeking an escape route. You sat there, eyes wide, torn between hysterical laughter and the urge to disappear into thin air.